Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll design a professional weekly appointment planner in Microsoft Word. You'll also learn essential skills for designing and formatting tables. As you can see, our final planner has 6 columns and 40 rows. When building this, you have two options. Insert the entire table at once, or design the first section for Monday and Tuesday, and then copy-paste it for the rest of the week. Since the layout is repetitive, we'll use the copy-paste method to save time. Let's start by inserting a table with 6 columns and 14 rows. Go to the Insert tab. Click the Table drop-down menu and select Insert Table. Set columns to 6 and rows to 14. Next, we'll adjust the column widths. Hover your mouse over the vertical lines for the first and fourth columns and drag them to make them narrower. These will be for our time slots. Now let's set up the header rows. Top header. In the first row, select the cells from the second column to the end. Go to the Table Layout tab and click Merge Cells. We'll type our text in here later. Day headers. In the second row, merge the second and third cells. Then do the same for the fifth and sixth cells. This is where we'll type Monday and Tuesday. Column headers. In the third row, type name and number in the second and third cells, and again in the fifth and sixth cells. In the first column, starting from the fourth row down, let's type in the timings from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Since we need the exact same timings in the fourth column, let's copy them. Select all the cells with the timings you just entered. On the Home tab, click Copy, or press Ctrl+C. Click inside the fourth cell of the fourth row and click Paste, or Ctrl+V. Our structure is ready, so it's time to add some formatting. Main title. Select the merged cell in the top row. On the Home tab, change the alignment to right. Make the text bold, increase the font size, and change the font color to blue. Day names for Monday and Tuesday, center the text. Make it bold and increase the font size slightly. Header shading. Select the name and number cells. Go to the Table Design tab, click Shading, and choose a dark blue color. Then, change the font color to white so it stands out. To show you how it looks, I'll just fill in an example appointment for 8 a.m. Alternating row shading. To make the schedule easier to read, let's add a gray background to every other time slot. Pro tip: hold down the Control key to select multiple cells that aren't next to each other. This saves a lot of time. Select the cells for 9 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 1 o'clock, etc. for both Monday and Tuesday while holding Control. Once selected, apply a light gray shading. Now that our Monday/Tuesday section is complete, we don't need to do all that work again. Select the entire table from the second row, Monday, down to the last row. Click Copy. Click your cursor just below the table and hit Paste. Simply update the day names to Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Do this a second time. You now have 3 identical sections. After pasting, you might notice the first column is a bit misaligned. Just drag the vertical line inwards to align all the cells properly. If you have extra space at the bottom of the page and want the table to fill it, you can easily increase the row height. Select the rows you want to expand. Go to the Table Layout tab. In the Cell Size section, increase the height value until it looks right. This tutorial wasn't just about making a planner. It was about teaching you the fundamentals of working with tables in Microsoft Word. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.